Are you tired of struggling with your kitchen appliances? Meet the Ninja Blender, engineered for exceptional performance. This powerful 1500-watt motor crushes ice and blends tough ingredients effortlessly. With the total crushing technology, the 72 ounces pitcher turns ice into snow in seconds. Whether you're making smoothies or dips, this blender delivers professional results every time. Having a party? The Ninja Blender includes two 16 ounces Nutri Ninja Cups with to-go lids. Make personalized shakes and easily take them on the go. Its 8-cup food processing feature makes chopping and mixing seamless. The dedicated chopping blade and dough blade mix up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Versatility is key with 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. Each function supports your culinary needs with ease. Cleaning up? No problem. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Here's the deal. This amazing blender is now just $169.99, with a savings of 23% off the original price of $219.99. Over 6,000 units were sold last month, confirming its popularity. Plus, enjoy free returns, adding to your peace of mind. Don't miss out. Order today for fast delivery across all 50 U.S. states, including California, New York, Texas, and Florida. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support helps us bring you the best reviews and deals. Check the product link in the description below. If you purchase through those links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support.